Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the Rogue Apprentice and Snips by Solo's Hold. Something different, right? We got a new maker in the studio. So I'm really excited to show these off. They also have a 1-inch, they're both 1-inch blades. This has a 36 and this, 34, and this is a 28. So technically 72 and 88 centimeters. So these are great. This is the new KR Pixel stick for Shotos, or if you have children, it's great for them. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. All right, so this is Solo's Hold Rogue Apprentice and Snips. There's a lot to be said about these. I really think that they did a great job over at Solo's Hold. The saber they're both gorgeous, but they're a pain in the butt to install. They're also an older saber design, so times have changed, the electronics have changed, and these are totally up to date. I mean, they're Profi V2.2s. They have stock NPXL V3s in there. Everything is new and current. It's just, the process in which you go through the install and how the chassis all fit. It's a little old, but it works perfectly fine still, so nothing wrong there. Functionally, once they're installed, they are really great, which is why the chassis haven't changed at all. So I'm just going to go over the functionality of these, and they're both identical. So you have your blade retention screw right here. You have double tactile switches, which are on either side. So the way that they're both set up is if you're looking at the copper decorative plunger on top, this guy, these guys, the left side, that is your power, and this is your auxiliary.
Ahsoka Tano!
Oh.
Bo-Katan sent me.
This is on. How great. Anyway, these are just so stellar. The way that, they open up from the bottom. This is the only place that you need access. The chassis are static, so they just stay right in place. And this has
This is ridiculous.
This has a twist kill key, so you can twist it to turn it off, twist it to turn it on.
I'm tired of fighting.
This is also your recharge port, but so real easy, very basic. Once you have it turned on, you can just put the pommel back on, and then you have your access to your switches. So this is also twist on, twist off. And what's really cool is all the sound venting is invisible. So there's nothing on the pommel. It's actually coming out through here, underneath the shroud. And it's the same for this one. So they both sound different. So this definitely has like a little bit more of a muffled bassy sound, and this has a higher, snappier sound. So they're also different speakers. No, actually, I'm sorry, they're the same speaker. I just did another install that had 2 different speakers, but these are the same. They're both 22 millimeter. Stock NPXLs, 18650s. This one, the recharge port, is much smaller and is located right here. So this will actually come with an adapter for the charger, and you'll just put that on and then charge this. But kill switch, which is nice. So this is twist on kill key. This is a flip kill switch. So they both have a way to be turned off and on. They can be worn on the belt. They have CoverTech wheels. And they both accept 1-inch blades. So this one, the only exception was, so this one, wow, it's a deep socket. So that goes all the way down to here. So very deep in this one. The only problem with this one was that the ID was severely undersized, so I ended up making a blade for this one that custom fits. The chassis had to be machined down a little bit, and the pommel was fine, but it was just the idea of this inner sleeve. So no problems really. This also was not sent with the kit, so the customer's getting that from Solo Sabers. But anyway, I ended up just making a custom blade that fits in there. It fits real nice and snug and easily taken in and out. Probably easier than a regular 1-inch. Oh, that looks awesome. And then... really cool. Anyway, yeah, easy functionality, easy to use. These sabers are just absolutely gorgeous. They were so fun to work on. They are a pain in the butt to install just because of these tactile switches. These plungers have to be like seated from the inside, and then the tactile switches placed underneath perfectly, which are attached to the heatsink / NeoPixel holder connector and everything. It's just a mess. But they're really beautiful sabers. So if you're looking to pick them up and have them installed, please let me know. But that does it for this video, so let's just wrap it up. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome sabers just like these. I'm so stoked to be able to bring you guys different makers and sabers from different places, and I'm happy to be able to install them. So if you're looking to get anything installed yourself, these were commissions, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com. I'd be more than happy to answer any inquiries that you have about sabers or sound fonts or programming or whatever it is. Just let me know and I'm happy to help. If you want to see past commissions that I've done, just browse through the YouTube channel, or you can see what the prices are on them on my website at www.sabersforever.com. And yeah, I guess that pretty much does it for this video. So until the next time, may the Force be with you.